Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Microsoft 365 Copilot app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. There are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you need to go back to your Google Play Store. So if you open Google Play Store, make sure you're logged in with your Gmail account before you search for your app. However, if you're still unable to download even when logged in, then tap on your profile icon and scroll down to settings. From settings, look for network preferences, and under it, look for this app download preference. Here, choose this first option over any network. This will ensure that you can download this app via the current network you're connected to. Then tap on OK to save the changes. If this does not fix your problem, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to access Play Store app info page by just going to settings, and from settings go to apps, and this should list all the apps. If you don't see all the apps, go to manage apps or all apps, and here you will see all the apps listed. From here, just search for Google Play Store, and here it is. And now here, first go to force stop app, then go to clear data and choose clear cache. Once you're done, now restart your smartphone, and then now open Play Store, and I'll activate search and search for my app. And if I search for it, here it is. I'll now try to install it and see if it can be installed. And now look at that. Now I'm able to download and install this Microsoft 365 Copilot app on my smartphone straight from Google Play Store. But at this point, should you still face a challenge, then you might want to check if you have enough space, because this app takes up a huge space. Make sure you free up space by deleting unnecessary apps or even files that you no longer need. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.